Today, we're going to add a group to an asset. To add a group to an asset, please select the list view and find the desired asset. From here, please select the asset name or the asset ID. Please scroll to the Edit button and select it. From here, scroll down to where you're able to see groups and select the desired group you wish to assign this asset to. Please select the Apply Group button and the group will be applied to this asset. Scroll over to the right-hand side of the page and select Save. You have now successfully added a group to an asset. For questions or comments, please email helpdesk@geoforce.com or call us at 972-546-3878.